In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change color of texture in UE5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing the color of a texture in Unreal Engine 5 can be accomplished in several ways, depending on the desired outcome and the workflow. So I'm gonna show you some common methods. First, using material parameters. This is recommended for dynamic changes, so this is going to be flexible and it's also the recommended approach, especially if you need to change the color during gameplay or create variations. So you import your texture into the content browser, you right-click the content browser and create a new material, and then you open the material editor. Drag your texture from the content browser into the material editor, and now you will be able to add a vector parameter node. So you can right click and search for vector parameter, constant, and name it something descriptive. Now click on the color swatch in the vector parameter node to choose a default color, and then you will be able to multiply the texture sample and the vector parameter. So add a multiply node, as you can see here, connect the RGB output of the texture sample to the A input of the multiply node, and the vector parameter output to the B input of the multiply node. Connect the output of the multiply node to the base color input of the material's main node, apply the material, and you will be able to change the color by modifying these constants here. Once you modify them, the new changes will be reflected accordingly. If you need a more nuanced color adjustment, you can use color curves. So you will be able to follow the same steps to create the material, but instead you add a curve linear color node. Right-click the texture sample's RGB output and choose Break Flow 3 Components. You can connect the red, green, and blue outputs, and then open the curve editor to modify it. I hope I was able to help you on how to change color of texture in UE5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.